Going down the chain of command in the newsroom, the publisher is in charge of everything at the newspaper. That's where the buck stops. The production manager is in charge of production, overseeing all staff and printing equipment. The circulation manager supervises distribution, getting the newspaper on newsstands and to subscribers. And finally, the advertising manager coordinates the sales of displays and classified ads, and sometimes is also in charge of marketing the newspaper to subscribers and potential subscribers. On the editorial side, the editor runs the newsroom, having the final say on story selection and news philosophy. The managing editor is the editor's second in command, handling day-to-day operation and staffing issues. The newspaper's photo editor assigns photos and photographers to go with stories and manages the photo staff. The designer places stories, photos, and design elements on the page once they're copy edited. The design editor also manages graphic artists and illustrators that work for the paper. The online editor works to develop content for the website and adopt stories for online publication. The online editor may also have a team of reporters and editors. The copy desk chief oversees editing, and if there's no design editor, the layout of the newspaper. The copy desk chief also manages a team of copy editors. The features editor assigns and edits feature stories, manages the feature staff. Now, sometimes there's sub-features editors, like an arts and entertainment editor or business editor. The sports editor assigns and edits sports stories and manages the sports staff. The city editor, or sometimes just called the news or metro editor, assigns and edits news stories and manages the news staff, while the opinion editor assigns and edits editorials and columns while managing the opinion staff.